Hey guys, welcome back to the Bayside Fabrication YouTube channel. I'm once again headed to the Freedom Factory to race my wife's BMW X5. You heard it right. So today's the Spectator drags, and I tried to get my car in, and Garrett was like, yeah, that ain't happening, pal. So I entered my wife's X5 diesel instead. So this car is a 2010. It's deleted and tuned. It's got the JR 2.5 race tune on it, 3.5-inch turbo back, factory muffler, and that's about it. The dyno numbers from the tuner state that it should be around, I don't know, I think it's like 330 horsepower and about 475 foot-pounds of torque. So it gets out of the hole real quick, being an all-wheel drive car. I mean, you load up the converter and drop it, I mean, it boogies right out, and then it kind of falls off at like, I'd say around 40 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour, it kind of starts to fall off. This is a 4,800-pound car, I think. So we're going to have fun though, man. There's some crazy cars that are showing up, so the odds are I'll probably get knocked out in the first run or two. It all depends who I'm up against. But it's gonna be fun. So let's go to the track and see what kind of cars show up. But it'll be fun either way. So win or lose, I'm drinking beers afterwards with some friends at the track. So it's gonna be a fun time. But let's see how it looks. All right, guys, we got a parade lap going on now. We're getting started. Pretty good lineup here. There's some wild cars, but not as many crazy ones as I thought. So as long as I line up against something reasonable, I think we'll be good. All right, these guys are starting to run already, and man, this is way more exciting than I thought it would be. So I'm up against this Hyundai, or behind me is a Golf R, which I'm pretty sure is fast and all-wheel drive. So I'm hoping I get this guy, but we'll see. I haven't done the math to be able to figure out who's running who, but this is pretty wild. My heart's beating. This is silly. This is absolutely silly, but I love it. All right, guys, I'm up against a Golf R. I'm pretty sure they're fast. So I get to pick the line, so I'm gonna pick the inside. Try to get the jump on him. We'll see how it goes. He's got all-wheel drive, but he's a 6-speed manual, so I'm hoping he sucks at driving a manual. Freaking got him, dude! Got the milk! Freaking got him. Thanks, buddy. Thank you. Freaking got him! I freaking annihilated him off the line. That's what I was hoping for. This thing launches hard. I freaking got him! It's got 500 foot-pounds of torque.
Oh shit!
What happened? Oh no!
I didn't know it was getting through that quick and I wasn't ready. And I was like, oh shit.
I knew something happened because that's all wheel. That's fast as shit, right? Yeah.
I don't know. I thought he was gonna like do something and go, but.
Ah, bummer.
To have him
All right, guys. So next up, it's either the Hyundai or jack stand. And jack stand's spraying a bunch of nitrous. So we'll see. Look at Kyle's NSX.
He's already smiling.
I know. I'll put her in sport mode.
You want inside? It's probably your best.
Yeah.
Right. Outside. He said he don't fucking
Yeah, I
care.
know, I know. All right, guys, I'm racing James. He'll be okay if I lose against him. He's spraying a shitload of nitrous. I got him! I got freaking James. I freaking launched on him. Oh, this is awesome. Now I'm gonna be up against, I think, a Volvo. We'll see.
Just letting you know this little fucker right here is pretty quick.
Yeah,
He's pretty quick.
that's fine.
That's pretty shocking.
All-wheel drive. What did you
This will be
say?
a good pair up
You
though.
wanted the outside?
Yep.
So that's 2 out of 3, right?
Yep.
All right, we're up against this Volvo. He's actually a pretty quick guy, so, and he's all-wheel drive, so we'll see how it goes.
That was pretty bright. Looked right over. All right, here we go. Let's see the next two teams.
Got him!
This is the guy that put the cage in Johnny. All right, here we go. Get ready for a green one.
Got him! My traction control kicked on in the last corner.
They all think you got
We got him! That was close though. My traction control kicked on in the last corner and it cut the power. All right, so I kind of got lucky on this one. I was supposed to run this blue C8. JH was gonna have a buy because there's an uneven amount of cars, but he decided that he wants to get out of this. I mean, his car's a piece of crap and we don't even know how he got to this point. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna run JH and then the blue C8 is gonna get a buy on this one. So I'll be like top 4 or 5 after this, which is gonna be pretty freaking wild out of almost 60 cars. So this is rad. I left my AC on. Alright guys, I just won against JH Diesel, but I saw him in my rearview mirror actually a lot, so his car is, for some reason, not that slow. I also think he has a really advantage on this track. He's done like all the Freedom 500s, so I think he's got a pretty good knowledge of this track. But man, this is crazy. So I'm up against a C8 next, and I'll place in the top 4 at least. I think so.
100%, for sure. Not a doubt in my mind.
I just clicked over 135,000 miles.
Hey, you want me to try to pull the seats out the back real quick?
Yeah. I think the C8's got us. That thing is fast.
Yeah, that's fine again for the BMW.
Third place.
Hell yeah, dude. Nice work.
This is crazy. All right, guys. Well, I didn't have enough to take out the C8, but man, I finished third place out of 56 cars. So this is freaking wild. I can't believe it. I don't think there's any money in third place though, but I podiumed, which is crazy. Absolutely crazy, guys. I gotta go see the final race. It's a C8 versus a C7. diesley, that's what we call this X5, freaking killed it. Absolutely killed it. Oh man, that was hilarious. Third overall out of 57 cars. So that was hilarious. I mean, I can't be mad losing to a C8, you know?